Pros and cons of quartz wash basin. Dear friends, a quartz wash basin is a modern and stylish option made from a blend of natural quartz and resin, offering strength, durability, and elegant looks. Like any material, it comes with both benefits and drawbacks. While quartz basins are resistant to scratches, stains, and easy to maintain, they can be heavy, costly, and sensitive to extreme heat. Understanding the pros and cons helps in deciding whether a quartz wash basin is the right choice for your home. Pros of quartz wash basins. Durability and strength. Quartz basins are composite, mostly quartz stone mixed with resin, which makes them quite tough. They resist scratches, chips, and are harder to damage than many cheaper materials. Non-porous surface. Because of the resin, quartz isn't porous. This means water, liquids, dirt don't seep in easily, right pointing arrow, less staining, less bacterial odor buildup. Easier to keep hygienic. Looks, design flexibility. You can get quartz basins in many colors, styles, finishes. They can mimic natural stone, granite, marble, or have modern matte, gloss finishes. Good for matching your decor. Low maintenance, doesn't need sealing like some natural stones. Cleaning is easier. Mild detergents, soft cloths. Less worry about mildew, mold, etc. Noise reduction. Quartz tends to absorb sound better than thin metal sinks. Less clanking, echo when washing vessels. Cons of quartz wash basins. Weight. They are heavy. Needs strong support in the countertop or cabinetry. Installation is more demanding. Cost. More expensive than basic materials like basic ceramic, stainless steel, or acrylic. The high-end versions cost even more. Heat sensitivity. Although fairly heat-resistant, quartz has resin binders that can be damaged or discolored by very high or prolonged heat. Placing flaming or super hot pans directly can risk damage. Risk to fragile items because the surface is hard and not very forgiving. Dropping glassware or fragile dishes into it may cause them to break, whereas softer basins or metal would absorb impact a bit more. Visible wear with dark colors. Dark quartz basins tend to show scratches, scuffs, or matte wear more than lighter colors. Over time, that can affect the look. Possible cracking, chipping. Though durable, heavy impact or very sharp blows, or if the installation support isn't proper, can lead to chips, cracks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.